In this video, we are going to solve the equation 4 to the power x plus 6 to the power x equals 9 to the power x. Before we move on, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications. To solve this equation, we notice that for the number 4 is 2 squared, while number 6 is 2 times 3, and for the 9 is 3 squared. So we somehow have some kind of quadratic here. So if I try to move all the variables x to one side, then it might look something like this. I'm going to divide both sides by 9 to the power of x. Then the equation becomes 4 over 9 all to the power x plus 6 over 9, and that's 2 over 3 all to the power x equals 1. So then x only appears on one side. Then from our prime decomposition, we know that 4 over 9 is 2/3 all squared. So why don't we let u equals 2 over 3 all to the power x, and then the equation becomes u squared plus u equals 1. And that is exactly a quadratic equation. So we can solve it by the quadratic formula. Then rearranging, u squared plus u minus 1 equals 0. So u equals minus 1 plus or minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, all divided by 2. So we have two solutions, either minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, or minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. And then we have two cases. The first case is that 2/3 all to the power x equals minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, and the other is that power equals minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. But since our power is a positive number, the base is positive, and so its power should be positive. So I'll have to reject the negative case here. That means I'm going to reject minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. So that means 2/3 all to the power x equals minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then to solve for x here, we have to take logarithm on both sides. So x times log of 2 over 3 equals log of root 5 minus 1 over 2. Then we notice that both 2/3 and root 5 minus 1 over 2, the golden ratio, are numbers between 0 and 1. So if we do logarithm on these two numbers, they are both negative. So why not we do a reciprocal on these two numbers, just to make the numbers positive. If we do the reciprocal of root 5 minus 1 over 2, we need to rationalize it, and it will become root 5 plus 1 over 2. The details are here. Maybe I'll just write like this. Then I'm going to multiply by root 5 plus 1 over root 5 plus 1. And there you go. And so finally, x is equal to the quotient of these two logarithms. And this is our final answer.